Welcome back to my channel, Sridevi's Plant Stories, where practical and science based ideas are used to improve agriculture diversity. What if I told you that the world's oldest and smallest citrus species still survives in the forest of northeast India? A rare wild citrus species that even many people, even the scientists, still never seen in the wild. Today, we are here in the forest of northeast India to explore the fascinating rare wild citrus species commonly known as Indian wild orange.
In Meghalaya, I had the opportunity to observe citrus indica growing in its natural habitat. Seeing these small orange fruits hidden beneath the forest canopy was truly unforgettable. It reminded me that some of our greatest natural treasures remain unknown to most of the world. Citrus indica is a thorny evergreen shrub or small tree. It bears fragrant white flowers and tiny scarlet orange fruits that are only a few centimeters across. Unlike sweet oranges, these fruits are extremely sour and slightly bitter. Among the Garo communities of Meghalaya, Citrus indica is known as Memang Narang, meaning fruit of the departed spirits. According to traditional belief, a fruit is placed with the deceased before cremation to protect the living from unwanted spiritual influences. Many households also grow this tree in their home gardens because of its fragrant flowers and striking orange fruits, making it both culturally meaningful and aesthetically attractive. Traditional preservation methods include sun drying the fruits or slowly smoking them on bamboo racks above the kitchen fire, allowing them to be stored for later use. For generations, indigenous communities have used citrus indica in traditional medicine. Fresh fruit juice is commonly used as a traditional remedy for food poisoning, while dried fruits are used when fresh fruits are unavailable. Local knowledge also describes its use in managing ailments such as hypertension, jaundice, snake bites, and smallpox. In addition, the juice is consumed as a refreshing drink to reduce fatigue and dehydration. Although these uses are deeply rooted in traditional knowledge, further scientific research is needed to fully evaluate their safety and effectiveness. Beyond its cultural importance, Citrus indica is an invaluable genetic resource. Scientists study this species because wild citrus relatives contain unique genetic diversity that may benefit future citrus breeding programs. Protecting wild citrus species today may help develop improved citrus varieties for tomorrow. Unfortunately, citrus indica faces numerous threats. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, shifting cultivation, developmental activities, and increasing human pressure continue to reduce its natural habitat. The species also regenerates slowly in nature. Unlike many crop species, its seeds are recalcitrant, meaning they cannot tolerate drying or long term storage, making conservation much more difficult. Although seed propagation is the traditional method, researchers are exploring vegetative propagation technique such as tissue culture to multiply this rare species more efficiently. Developing reliable propagation method is essential for large scale conservation and restoration programs. Nurseries play a vital role by producing healthy planting material that can be used for research, ex situ conservation, home gardens, and habitat restoration. One of the most important conservation efforts for wild citrus in India is the Citrus Gene Sanctuary, located within the Nokrek Biosphere Reserve in the Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Established to protect the rich diversity of wild citrus species, the sanctuary conserves citrus indica in its natural forest habitat, allowing the plants to continue evolving under natural ecological conditions. The The sanctuary serves as a living genetic reservoir, supporting scientific research, biodiversity conservation, and the long term survival of wild citrus species. It also provides an opportunity for researchers to study these plants in their native environment and develop improved conservation and propagation strategies. However, continued habitat disturbance, human activities around the gene sanctuary, invasive species, and slow natural regeneration remain major challenges. Protecting the forests surrounding the sanctuary and involving local communities are essential to ensure that Citrus indica continues to thrive for generations to come. Some plants are valuable because they feed us, others are valuable because they preserve our history. Citrus indica does both. It connects biodiversity, traditional knowledge, and scientific research in a way that few species can. By protecting this forgotten wild orange, we are preserving not only a rare plant but also the cultural heritage of indigenous communities and a priceless genetic resource.
If you really enjoyed discovering remarkable citrus species, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow friends. Together, let's explore and conserve the botanical treasures of Northeast India. To know more about Citrus indica, you can go to our website where agroforestry meets agriculture. There you can find a blog and you can read